Dear participants, you all know that our students can easily deliver in English. They can make a fantastic dialogue in English. Even in the Arabic language, they can deliver any kinds of speech spelling. So pray always for us, pray always for the teachers, pray always for our institutions. Now here is coming on the desk to deliver an English speech before us. Muhammad Arif Hussain, the student of Alim first year. I request him to come on the desk to deliver an English speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here present, the Honorable Chairperson of this ceremony, the Honorable Principal of this madrasa, the Honorable Chairman of Jarnagar Union, and the UP member of the Dursar Khadriya Union, and today's invited guests, and the students of this madrasa. At first, take my cordial salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear audience, you all know that the Dakhil and Alim examiners are going to take part their examination in this year. It's a great opportunity to build up their career. So everyone pray for them to the Almighty Allah so that they can reach their highest goals. Dear students, our elder and younger brothers and sisters have passed with us a long time. If they any mistake with you, you will pardon them and pray for them to the Almighty Allah so that they can reach to their target. Dear examiners, you are going to prove your skill, try hard and soul to secure the best result. We pray to Allah so that you can safely reach to your target. Two things should be remembered throughout your life: the teachers of this madrasa and the famous institution. You should keep the matter in your mind that teacher is the backbone of education. No person can be glorious in his life without the prayers of his teachers. So always try to obey the dictates of the teachers. I cordially pray and hope your brighter future. May Allah help you all in the every step of your life. At last, I request all the teachers on behalf of examiners, if they mistake with you, you will pardon them. We never be able to pay your contribution with blood. So pray for them to the Almighty Allah so that they can reach to their highest goals, and especially pray for me so that Allah grant me as an alim. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much. Muhammad Abul Qasim Mullah has awarded Muhammad Arif Hussain 100 taka for his fantastic deliberation before us. সম্মানিত অতিথিবৃন্দ, আমি যে কথাটা বলতে চাই, আপনারা উপভোগ করছেন অত্র মাদ্রাসার ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, তারা ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি ইংরেজিতে বক্তৃতা দিতে পারছে, আরবি ভাষায় কথোপকথন করতে পারছে, আরবিতে বক্তৃতা দিতে পারছে। আপনারা দোয়া করবেন। অত্যন্ত খুশির বিষয়, এই ছাত্রছাত্রীরা শুধু এই মাদ্রাসা মঞ্চেই নয়, এমনকি পরীক্ষা